Hi everyone. This is similar to the last question you just did. It's for a standard normal distribution. So remember, if it's standard normal, we know this. We know that the mean equals 0 and the standard deviation equals 1. For this kind of setup, right here, you notice that z is between the two numbers. So on my website, so I got to go here to the calculator, and over here to the calculator on the right, let me get to the answer. I got to go between the two numbers. So make sure you click this button here, and let me update this to be 2.06 and 2.66. All right, and when you have that range in there, you can just hit recalculate or hit enter after your number. Let me do recalculate, doesn't matter, I get the same number. So I need all those decimal places to go into the homework. 0.0158. So let me go to the homework. 0.0158 and hit submit. And there you go. So these ones are pretty easy. You just got to make sure you pick the correct button here so that you're on the line that you need to be.